Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do the tulip stitch. It's a very easy stitch, one row repeat. Even you guys, the beginners, can do this stitch. We can make blankets, hats, scarves, whatever you like to do. Just keep in mind that this stitch is gonna eat a lot of yarn. You're gonna need a lot of yarn if you decide to make a blanket. So I did this with, well, the yarn is not that thick, but I did a sample, a small one with the yarn that it's a little bit thicker. So you can do like this in one color. You can use the variegated yarn. You can change colors if you like. Okay, this stitch works with multiples of 4 plus one more. So I chain my multiples of 4. I'm gonna chain one more, and now we're gonna skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th chain, yarn over the hook, we're gonna do in the 5th chain 3 double crochets. 3 double crochets in that chain. Okay. Now from now on until you finish the row, we're gonna skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain, we're gonna go in there and gonna do a single crochet. Chain 3, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna go back into the same chain where we did this single crochet, and we're gonna do 3 double crochets. First double crochet, go back for the second, and the third one. Well, you're gonna have to be careful because we put so many stitches in one chain that the next chain might be hidden. Yeah, so give it a tug like this a little bit, and you will know where is the next chain that you have to start skipping. So first, second, third, and in the 4th chain we're gonna do the same. 1 single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna go back into the same chain where we did this single crochet, and we're gonna do 3 double crochets. So you're gonna do like this: skip 3 in the 4th, you do a single crochet, then you chain 3, and then 3 more double crochet in the same chain. And this stitch has only one row repeat. At the end you're gonna be left with 4 chains. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again we're gonna skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th we're gonna do a single crochet only. 1 single crochet, and now we're gonna do the row. We're gonna keep repeating this row until you finish your project. We're gonna chain 4. Each time you're gonna chain 4 when you reach the end. Well, if you work too tight, leave this first chain that you're gonna do, leave it a little bit loose. Yeah. So chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your work, and now we're gonna work 3 double crochet, yarn over the hook. We're gonna work 3 double crochet in this first chain that we did, this one here. That's why I said leave it a little bit loose, in case it's easy to get in, and if you work too tight you're gonna, well, struggle. So we're gonna do in that first chain 3 double crochets, the second and the third. Okay. From now on, we're gonna work only in these chain spaces, these spaces here. So we're gonna skip the single crochet, the 3 double crochet, and we're gonna go into this space, the chain space, and we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and we go back into the same space where we did this single crochet and do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, this stitch is really easy. And again we're gonna skip the single crochet, the 3 double crochets, and we work only in this space. So we go in that space, do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna go back into the same space and do 3 double crochets. Yeah, well, I forgot to tell you, when you start chaining, if you do the chains too tight, then pick a crochet hook that it's a little bit thicker. This yarn, well, I work with 5.0. I think it needs at least 5.5 to work with this. But I wanted to show you that it can be dense, you know, close enough the squares or whatever those are, clusters. Now we're gonna go into the space here. We skip this single crochet, 3 double crochet, and in this space here, the chain space, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet. Now we're gonna chain 4. When you chain 4, the first chain, if you work too tight, leave it a little bit loose. So first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, turn your work, and now we're gonna work 3 double crochet in the first chain that we did. We chained 4, the first chain here, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do 3 double crochets. So yarn over the hook, go inside that first chain and do 3 double crochets. Okay, second, and go back again for the third. Okay, and now, like I said, we're gonna always skip this 3 double crochet, the single crochet, and we work always into this chain space. So go in there, do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and we go back into the same space and do 3 double crochets. And you're gonna do like this on and on and on until you finish blanket, scarf, hat, whatever you're working on with this stitch. Okay, again we're gonna skip the single crochet, the 3 double crochet, and in the space here we're gonna go in there, do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and we go back into the same space and do 3 double crochets. One more, and we reach the end now, and we have the 3 double crochet, the single crochet, the 3 double crochet, and the chain. So we're gonna go inside this space here and we're gonna do a single crochet. It's just 1 row repeat. You're always gonna finish with a single crochet and then chain 4. Leave it a little bit loose. Okay, turn your work, and now we're gonna go into the first chain here. Yarn over the hook, go into the first chain and do 3 double crochets. So first, go back again and do the second, yarn over the hook and go again and do the third one. Okay, now we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna work only inside the space, the chain space. So go in there, do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and then we're gonna go back again and we're gonna do 3 double crochets in there. Yeah, it's very easy, and it's just 1 row repeat. That makes it very, very easy. Again, we're gonna skip the single crochet, the 3 double crochet, and we work always into this space, the chain space. So you go in there, do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, you go back again and you work 3 double crochets in there. First, second, and third. Okay, and you reach the end, you skip the single crochet, you skip the 3 double crochets, and you go into the chain space here and you do a single crochet, and then you're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your work, and now yarn over the hook, you're going to go into the first chain here and you're going to do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and third, And then you're gonna move to the next chain space. Here, skip this and go into the chain space, do a single crochet, chain 3 and 3 more double crochet in the same space. And that's about it. It's a very easy, fast stitch to do. And well, the edge, it's okay, I can live with this. It's alright. If you make a blanket, then you're gonna have to go here on this to do the edges, if you like to put a border or something. But it's really, really nice, this, and goes really fast. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.